Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 21st June 2026. Title of Murli: Hasten the speed of self-transformation and celebrate the completion ceremony of your natures and sanskars. Copy Father Brahma in your every thought, word and deed. In today's Avyakt Murli, Bap Dada reminded the Brahman children of their three great fortunes: sustenance, education, and blessings. He explained that although everyone has received the same fortune, its radiance is visible according to the level of each one's spiritual effort. In godly love, all children are equally close to the Father. However, the special need of the present time is to accelerate the pace of self-transformation, sanskar transformation, and nature transformation. Bap Dada further inspired the children that this is not the time for ordinary effort, but for intense spiritual effort. Waste thoughts and old sanskars must be ended with a full stop, and Brahma Baba should be followed and copied in every thought, word, and action. Since body, mind, and wealth have already been surrendered to God in Brahman life, one should finish body consciousness and ego and consider oneself an instrument for world service. In conclusion, Bap Dada said that the main method for transforming sanskars is to maintain pure feelings and good wishes for every soul. This will remove obstacles and accelerate the task of revealing God to the world. Bap Dada's message is to renounce carelessness, become complete through determined resolve, courage, and constant spiritual effort, and spread the message throughout the world that God, the Father, has arrived. Blessing for today. May you finish all rites to the consciousness of mine with the method of completely surrendering yourself and so becoming an equal companion. Details are: you made this promise, I will stay with you, I will go back with you, and we will rule together. You will be able to fulfill this promise when you become equal to your companion. Equality will come by your surrendering. When you have surrendered everything, all your rights to those things and those of anyone else will finish. For as long as you have a right to it, something is lacking in your full surrender, and so you cannot become equal. So, in order to stay together and to fly back together, quickly become equal. Slogan is: to use your time, breath and thoughts in a worthwhile way is the basis of success. Avyakt signal: to remain constantly cheerful, be easy-natured and tolerant. When you have an easy nature, you will automatically have the power to pack up. When you have an easy nature, you will be loving and cooperative with everyone. To the extent that you have an easy nature, accordingly, Maya will not oppose you as much. When you have an easy nature, you do not have any waste thoughts, nor do you waste your time. Your intellect is unlimited and far-sighted. This is why no adverse situation comes to oppose you. Om Shanti.